family, this is Shirley with Olive Oil Divine. We have already spring forward with our clocks. Now it's time to come up with some spring spectacular recipes. Today, I have decided to do a spring salad. We will be doing these recipes at least twice a month because we've got our new customers coming in and asking us for some suggestions of how to use our products. Well, today we have decided to put a new pairing on special. It is our grapefruit balsamic with the huckleberry infused olive oil. That is a brand new product. And you could also do the huckleberry with the strawberry balsamic. They're 15% off at either one of those pairings. But let's talk about this salad that I want to put together for us. We actually have some spring mix salad greens. You will have a little bit of the spring mix with spinach. It's 3 cups into our ingredients. Just fluff it up a little bit, toss that salad. Then we have cherry tomatoes. I have chopped the cherry tomatoes up. It's about a 3/4 cup. A little bit of red onions, very shaved, very fine. It's a 3/4 cup. A whole cup of fresh strawberries. Two-thirds cup of small oranges. I like the small oranges because they're easier to peel, but they just have a burst of that orange flavor. Then I'm also taking a 1/2 cup of pecans, roasted with a little bit of sweetness to them. Also, a 3/4 cup of roasted walnuts, a whole cup of craisins. I love the smell of craisins, or the taste of craisins. Then, this is the fun part. How much oil and balsamic do we use on our salads? Well, I'm not a chef, but I know my taste buds. I like to really just coat that salad on top. I would say a tablespoon to maybe 3 tablespoons. Grapefruit balsamic, I would also use about 1.5 tablespoons. I'm not measuring, so I'm probably adding just a little bit more than normal. But you really want to make this recipe taste really good. I'll also add some strawberry balsamic to it. I love the taste of the grapefruit and the strawberry balsamic together. It just adds a little bit more flavor in your mouth, and it really gets those taste buds going. Then, all I do is take my little spoons, just mix it up, make sure it's coated really well. Wow, look at this salad. Look at the color of all of the gorgeous spring colors in there and all of the nuts. It just makes your mouth water, right? For those of you who are sitting there with their mouth watering for this delicious salad, next week we have a surprise for you. You can come in the store on Monday and Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and sample this salad. All you do is take a little bit of that salad, put it on the plate, add a little bit of the feta cheese for those that like feta, or you can plate another plate, have some blue cheese on the side, and just add that blue cheese on your salad as well. Our store location is located at 2517 North Run Street, Johnson City, Tennessee, at the Peerless Shops. Or you can visit us at our website at www.oliveoildivine.com. Our hours are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Like us on Facebook, Twitter, or even Instagram. You can follow us on Instagram. Our phone number is 423-707-7087.